how long we have to take these cars. I now have from the horse's mouth, from the people who are running the start finish area here outside the Howard Stortford Centre. The last car to appear to join the queue will be taken in at 3 o'clock. That looks like Phil Collins' car just arrived. We're closing down the arrival of cars here at 3, and then that looks to me about a dozen cars then will be left there in the park. They will then leave one by one.
Hi, get in, Mike.
That particular engine here is still in production. Yeah. So they can put it in and when they do the IGA test, it's classed as a brand new.
There he is.
Well, not bad.
Yeah. It's not a minivan.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. I mean, I didn't realise that they ran out of cars and they're going out again. Every car was going out again. I had 2 laps and they went back in.
What happened?
No, I wouldn't mind either.
I'm so happy about it. What t-shirt?
I know I'm very serious about that.
And I've never been somewhere, obviously you're hugely experienced as a navigator. And yeah, if you're telling them to slow down, they should probably slow down. Although listening to Inessa, who we
You got bored with caviar before you got to the end of that.
yeah, that's hilarious. Turn around and come back down.
The same road. There's only one. There isn't a return road. In a hilltop, you come back down the same road.
Cafe, you end up sort of driving and another 6R4. I do believe that's the first
That's a rarity. An Escort World Rally car. Not any Escort World Rally car. Escort cars are still up and down. Yeah, that's the trying to invent championships or monthly awards or whatever just to be able to give away some more credit.
And now I'm sure that many people listening will probably pay good money to have gold. And they always say, what colour gold is it and what colour red is it and all stuff. And he said, well, to be honest, it was the brightest red, the brightest gold we could find because we went to the Nürburgring, wherever it was supposed to exhibition at Gaydon.
Lasting you with facts and figures. These cars 1 year only, and here they are today. Elfin Evans has been enjoying that Fiesta all day. I think every time he does...
This is the last batch of cars to go out on the feature stage, so probably in about half an hour we'll have the new idea of the grid walk.